Oki's Garage here. Hey, this isn't my normal motorcycle related video, but I just wanted to show you this just to kind of try to help you out. I've been burning wood. I live in Massachusetts, and it's been beginning of the week. It was like below zero for several days, and I've been burning wood. I had a couple of these spare rooms shut off, and I ended up splitting a couple pipes, 3/4 inch pipes from the baseboard hot water heater. And so I, as you can see, I put in soldered in another pipe and fixed that one split. Then found another one in the closet, and I had to fix that too. I had to kind of poke the wall out a little bit because the tool wouldn't fit around it to cut it, the pipe cutter. And so anyway, once I got all those soldered up, I had to drain down the water in the circulating system of the baseboard hot water to let it down low enough so that it would I could solder that. And once I got that all fixed, I put everything back on, and the water circulates as the video shows here. It goes to the left-hand side. So I turned the furnace back on and I kept hearing the pump come back on, and it's replenishing. It's trying to replenish itself, but it wouldn't circulate. I just couldn't get the water to come through the pipe again, and tried it, and so anyway, this is the part that I'm hoping really helps you out. This is what I finally figured out. Is you got to go to the other end of where it comes up out of the basement and upstairs. And as you can see, right before it goes back down into the basement, there's a valve here. And that's where you bleed the air out of the system. And without opening that up, it can run forever. It won't let the water come through that pipe. And because the way that they're teed off downstairs and stuff, it isn't just one continuous loop. So because there was part of the house that had heat and part that didn't. And so I went in there and took a screwdriver and loosened that up, and that's the valve that you have to open up to let the air out. As soon as I opened that up, I could hear air rushing. Every time the circulator pump went on, air would rush out of there. And finally, after several tries, and I had to keep turning the heat up because the circulator pump has to be going for this to work. And I finally got all the air purged out of that system, and now I got hot water all the way around into all the rooms, and I'm all set. But I figured that'd help you a little bit because it drove me kind of crazy trying to figure out why I couldn't purge the air out, or I wasn't even thinking of air. I was just thinking it's just gonna, it's gonna just naturally flow back, but it can't without that valve, that air valve being open. All right, that's it. Hope it helps you. Have a good day. Bye.